Did you know that despite their name, sweet potatoes aren't actually related to regular potatoes? They come from completely different plant families. Sweet potatoes are root vegetables from the morning glory family, while regular potatoes belong to the nightshade family, alongside tomatoes and eggplants. This might come as a surprise, but it highlights the fascinating diversity of our food system. Both tubers have earned their place on our plates, but which one packs a healthier punch? Let's delve deeper into the nutritional profiles of these beloved spuds. At first glance, sweet potatoes and potatoes might seem similar. Both are starchy, versatile vegetables that can be boiled, mashed, roasted, or fried. They're both relatively inexpensive and readily available year-round. However, their nutritional compositions tell a more nuanced story. While both offer valuable nutrients, their strengths lie in different areas. Sweet potatoes are celebrated for their vibrant orange flesh, a clear indicator of their rich beta-carotene content. Beta-carotene is a powerful antioxidant that our bodies convert into vitamin A, crucial for healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Regular potatoes, on the other hand, are often praised for their potassium content. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure, muscle function, and fluid balance. Let's break down the vitamin content of these two contenders. 1 cup of baked sweet potato delivers a whopping 400% of your daily vitamin A needs, compared to a negligible amount in regular potatoes. This makes sweet potatoes a clear winner for supporting healthy vision and boosting the immune system. When it comes to vitamin C, another potent antioxidant, sweet potatoes still hold the upper hand, providing about 30% of your daily requirement per cup, while regular potatoes offer around 20%. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, wound healing, and iron absorption. However, regular potatoes fight back with a higher vitamin B6 content, an essential nutrient for brain development, red blood cell production, and mood regulation. 1 cup provides about 15% of your daily vitamin B6 needs, while sweet potatoes offer around 10%. Section 4. Fiber and other perks. Both sweet potatoes and regular potatoes are good sources of dietary fiber, essential for digestive health, blood sugar control, and maintaining a healthy weight. Sweet potatoes offer slightly more fiber per serving, with about 4 grams per cup compared to 3 grams in regular potatoes. Regular potatoes stand out for their higher potassium content, providing about 20% of your daily requirement per cup, while sweet potatoes offer around 15%. This makes regular potatoes a valuable ally in managing blood pressure and promoting heart health. Beyond vitamins and minerals, both vegetables contain antioxidants, beneficial compounds that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that contribute to aging and disease. Section 5. The color connection. Here's a special tip. The deeper the color of your produce, the more concentrated the nutrients tend to be. This holds true for both sweet potatoes and regular potatoes. Opt for vibrant orange sweet potatoes and colorful varieties of regular potatoes such as purple potatoes, which are rich in anthocyanins, antioxidants linked to improved brain function and heart health. So, which potato reigns supreme? The answer depends on your individual needs and preferences. Both sweet potatoes and regular potatoes offer unique health benefits and can be part of a balanced diet. What's your favorite way to enjoy these versatile vegetables? Share your recipes and thoughts in the comments below.